Hi, I'm Aida. I'm the owner and operator of Little Cravings Catering, a company I've run and owned for 16 years. I've always dreamt of having my own YouTube channel, and I think this is the right time. This is a time with the whole crisis with the coronavirus, in which I think it would be useful for me to share some ideas on what to cook, how to cook, easy ideas, economical ideas, and recipes that do not necessarily require a lot of ingredients. Because at these times, we're finding it difficult to source the ingredients that just a month ago we were able to acquire. So I hope these videos will be helpful. I hope they will be entertaining, and I hope that you will find some joy in cooking and going back to basics and all the rest. So welcome to my channel.